Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable sound effects over on the Strong app. So if you want to disable sound effects over on the Strong app, all you need to do is open the Strong app just like this. Once you've done that, go to the bottom left corner of your screen at Profile, and then go to the top left corner of your screen and click on that settings icon. And once you've done that, you want to just scroll a little bit down till you find bonus options right here. And if you click on that, here you can simply disable all sound effects. So if you find those sound effects irritating, you can just simply disable that. And that's literally all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.